DTE Energy is working to build a stronger and smarter electric grid by rebuilding more than 100 miles of electric infrastructure in East Detroit and adding a new substation, which is expected to improve reliability by up to 90% for customers served by this equipment. We're currently working south of Gratiot Ave between East Verner Highway and Mount Elliott to upgrade electrical equipment, and we'll be working closer to the riverfront later this year. We will be replacing poles, power lines, transformers, installing smart devices, and trimming trees. This new equipment is stronger and better able to withstand the strong winds and extreme weather that are becoming more common. Plus, clearing trees near our electric equipment means that they're less likely to cause outages during a storm. As part of this $270 million project, we also recently energized a new substation that doubles the capacity of the electric grid in the area, paving the way for additional electric vehicles, appliances, and business growth in the future. Learn more about our work taking place in your neighborhood at dteenergy.com/powermap.